How to set reminder in Android. In this video, I will show you how can you easily set reminder for any task in your Android device. So without any delay, let's get started. Our first option is Calendar. Click on Calendar application on your Android device and choose any date where you want to add the event. Write event name and fill up all the details. Like if you want it for all day, toggle on the all day option. Then you can choose from the option and to option. Repeat if you want it. And the reminder, how before you want the reminder about the task. I have set it to 1 day before and as well as 5 minutes before. After you are done providing the detail, click on the tick icon at the top right corner. That is how you can create tasks on calendar and it will be a reminder for you according to the time chosen. Now our second option is clock application. If you want to get reminded about the task in very short interval of time, you can use the timer option in clock application. You can click on the last menu at the top and I will show you an example by setting 10 seconds timer. After the timer ends up, you will be notified about it. So as you can see, I have set 10 seconds timer. Now I will close this clock application and go back. Let's wait for 10 seconds. As you can see, you get the reminder after the timer is finished. That was the second method. Now our last method to set up reminder in Android device is note application. Here in task section, you can click on plus icon and add any tasks you want. And to set a reminder, you can choose the option of set reminder at the left corner. Once you click on your tasks, click on set reminder and you can choose the date and timing. So that's all. That is how easily you can set reminder on your Android device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.